Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today's video is going to be super exciting, and if you are a Coraline fan like me, this is going to be very useful for you. So this mold is by Into Resin, and when I saw this mold, I was a fan of this. And actually this is a very fun, you can say DIY sort of a mold where you pour the resin and then you can create something very amazing out of it. So it has few elements that you have to combine together. So first of all, these are the mirrors. So this come in the kit. It is actually an infinity mirror, and this is the mold where you pour the resin. So I have seen a lot of infinity mirror. I'm sure a lot of you have seen that those mirrors that you assemble yourself. I had that kit also, and I wanted to create something, but then I saw this one, so I wanted to create something. So these are the Chameleon powders and Chameleon flakes by Let's Resin. So I'm going to use the two colors from the kit here. So these are the two shades that I'm going to use. So I took out the Chameleon powders also in case if I need any, but seems like these two color will be fine for me. So I'm going to rub these all into the mold. So here it is all done now, and now you can see that these are the two colors. So I'm going to pour some black resin into the mold now. So I'm using black resin by Let's Resin here. It is a ready-made black resin, so you don't have to add any color, so it is a perfect black. I'm going to pour this totally up to the top layer. And after pouring the resin, I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day, and let's see how this turns out. I'm going to demold it now, and we can see that the Chameleon Flakes has done their job really well. I am actually looking for these colors. So very carefully, I'm going to take this out of the mold. I can see that there are tiny crevices that need to be taken care of. I don't want to rip the mold. So it is out of the mold, and this is how it looks like. So now on to the actual technical part. I am really loving the Chameleon Flakes. The colors are so beautiful. I was just playing with them visually. And let's see what we get in the kit. And these are some wires that have to be taken care of. So this is a strip light, and I'm going to it is a stickable, and I'm going to just see that from where I have to put this. So actually on the right side there is a little, you can say, space for this light, and I'm going to put them all around, and then the wires will come out from that side. So I'm going to remove the sticky bit from the back, and in this way you can apply the lights inside the ring. So as I was telling you about that, on the right side there is a space, and here you can pass the wires like this. And now I will be removing all the sticky bit, and then I'm going to apply this. So I am very bad at doing the technical stuff, so please bear with me. So here we go. I have removed the sticky bit, and now I'm going to apply this inside. I was just looking that it has to be centered, that's it. And now on to the mirrors. And this is the mirror that is going to be on the front, and for the back I'm going to use this one that is one side mirror and the other side is fully covered. So it is going on the back like this. So this is on the back as I'm telling you, and you need you can use either UV resin or you can use Gorilla Glue. I'm going to use the super glue here. So little dots everywhere, and then after that I will be putting the mirror. So this is the protective film. I'm going to remove this and then I'm going to place this. So the back is done, and onto the front. And for front, this is the mirror that comes on the front side. So it is covered on both sides, back and front. And again I'm going to apply the glue and then I will place this mirror on top. And here I'm putting the top part. So this is done now. So this is the remote control that comes in the kit here, and it has a lot of colors. So after removing this, I'm going to show you what I have done with this and what was my concept. And let's see. So yes, as I have written that this is going to be a Coraline fan. So this is the door, and we're going to open the Coraline door here. It is the portal for the Coraline. So I'm using the key to open the door. And let's see what is behind the door. This, as I told you, that this is going to be really fun, and we can see Coraline coming out of the portal from Other Mother. This was so fun when I saw this mold. It is an infinity mirror, but this idea came to my mind and I thought that this is going to be a portal for the Coraline. So this is really fun. If I just simply made the door out of a card paper, but you can make a proper board if you have any DIY person around you. And this is so fun for anyone who is a Coraline lover. There are so many colors you can select. I just went with the theme here, so that's the reason I use the Chameleon Flakes, the blue and pink and the magenta color. So this is, yeah, I was really happy because I am a fan of Coraline myself. And there are so many options. You can just switch on the lights and it play by themselves. And disclaimer that if you are light sensitive, please avoid this, but it is so fun to see because this is an infinity mirror and you can see deep inside like the portal for the Coraline. So that was my idea behind this infinity mirror, but you can use it as it is for the kids. Such a magical, use them in their rooms and play with this light. This is, yeah, everything. I am just love it, and I will link everything in my description, including the 20% discount off from Into Resin. And if you like, you can treat yourself during this Halloween season or any season. So that's it for today, and I hope you like it. And if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.